Okay, so this is an interactive flashcard that was generated by Perplexity AI. So this is a great way to test your knowledge of a particular subject or topic. And let me show you how you can generate a flashcard like this using Perplexity. Let's open perplexity.ai. And after that, you can log in with your account. Now, as far as I know, this feature is available to all users in the platform, whether you're using the free or paid version of Perplexity, you can still use it. But right now, when I'm testing it on my Android phone, this feature is not yet available, so perhaps we have to wait a bit longer. But anyway, here I don't have any issue with the desktop web version. So for this example, I'll use this document that talks about the history of World War II. And this is a simple command that I'm going to use. Hey, please generate a flashcard from this material. Okay, so let me just send a message. The AI model is irrelevant. You can use any model and it should work just fine. So this is a great tool if you want to test your knowledge. And I think if you're a student or you just happen to want to learn something to a much deeper level, I think you can use this feature. So per generation, it will give you at least 10 different items or 10 different flashcards. And after that, you can interact with the flashcard. You can click it to flip the card and see the clue or the answer. Now, as you can see, it is quite interactive. You can easily move from one flashcard to another. And one thing that I like about this tool in Perplexity is that you can specify the level of difficulty of the questions. You can make it easier, you can make it harder, or you can also ask for more flashcards, and also you can customize the follow-up questions. Perhaps you want to change the direction to a specific topic, you can do that. So I think this is a great tool for teachers, students, or anyone who wants to learn anything with the help of AI. And again, you can just use a simple command that you want to generate a flashcard, and then Perplexity will create something like this for you in just a few seconds. So that's basically it. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you on my next video. Have a great day.